Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your boy Crypto Mechanic, and right here guys, on this video I'm actually going to be showing you guys how I was able to get up to $125 million right here on my Binance account for free without any investment or even getting to making it deposit. Actually, this can be also be called hacking of Trust Wallet or whatsoever, but there's one fact right here, but I'm going to be telling you all about this right now on this video that you are just watching right now. All right, so before I proceed on telling you guys how you can be able to get up to $125 million right here, let me quickly tell you guys how I run our channel right here. So over here guys, on our channel, if you're watching our channel for the first time and you haven't subscribed yet, you can simply consider clicking the button below the video you're watching right now. Also, we give out free BNB to anybody watching our video from all over the world. So if you're watching our video for right now for the first time, you actually stand a good chance to get yourself free BNB by using this bot, by subscribing to our channel like this if you haven't subscribed yet, after which you go ahead and give this video a thumbs up by clicking on it like this, and after that you go ahead and put your comments right here because this is where we pick our winners. After that, you also go ahead and share this video to any social media platform of your choice, because that is where we get to, that's one of the major criteria that we mark you as one of the winners. All right, so right now after that, you should make sure that you are right here on our Telegram channel, because you can see right here that we already announced our winners of last week's free BNB giveaway. And also right here on our Telegram channel, we give out a lot of free information that's going to help you make money right here on this crypto space. So right now, let's go back to my Trust Wallet. Let's learn how we can be able to hack Trust Wallet and get this amount of USDT. So I'm not gonna lie to you, this is actually a watch only wallet, and actually there is nothing you can do to be able to transfer this coin out of this wallet. And also, you can get this completely free of charge. You can get even more than this or less than this depending on how you want it to be. All right, but on this video, before the video ends, we are going to be able to see up to 125 million USDT right here on our Trust Wallet, and it is guaranteed. All right, so without wasting time, let's now go ahead and learn how we can be able to do this completely free. Alright, so the first thing you need to do right now to get started is to simply open your browser. So once you open your browser, already you should have downloaded Trust Wallet. Alright, so you need a Trust Wallet before you can be able to do this. So you make sure that you have Trust Wallet already. After which, you come right here on the search bar of your browser, you type in Scan. All right, so if you want to do this on Binance Smart Chain, you can type in BSC scan as well. So when you type on Scan, you go ahead and search for it. This is going to be taking you to scan.io, where you're going to be seeing everything running on Ethereum network. All right, so we are doing this on Ethereum network. So what do we need to do right now to get that? What you need to do first is to simply come right here. You come right here that we have this trail line up here, so you can see it right here. So you go ahead and click on it. So once you click on it, you're going to be seeing this drop down. You go ahead and click on token. So once you click on token, you click on top tokens like this. So once you just click on top token, you are going to be seeing a lot of coins right here on this Ethereum blockchain. So but right now we are talking about how to get USDT. So if you want other coin, you can do that as well, but right here we are focusing on USDT. All right, so right now I need to click on USDT. So once I click on USDT, this is going to be taking me to the USDT profile on Ethereum blockchain. You can see a lot of things right here, but we are focusing we are going straight to the holders. All right, so once you click on holder, which is this one right here, this is going to be taking you to the top 1000 holders of USDT on Ethereum blockchain. All right, so let's now found an account that we can hack and get to see everything inside the account. So you know, blockchain is very public and you can see anything running from anywhere else. All right, so right now let's now drop down like this. You can see these are the wallets of the exchanges. You can see Binance right here, and a lot of cool stuff are happening right here actually. So right now let's now go back and find just a normal wallet that we can use. So over here guys, you can see, let's check out this wallet right here. Let's see what it holds. You can see that this wallet actually holds up to 137 million USDT. So let's now go ahead and hack into the wallet and get to see everything. All right, I have to go back to my Trust Wallet like this. So once I get to my Trust Wallet, I will go ahead and click right here on this drop down. So once I click on it like this, so this is going to be showing me a list of my wallets. So right now I need to create a new wallet for that. All right, so what I need to do next is simply click right here that we have this plus sign over here. Okay, so I have to click on it like this. Okay, so right now you see you need to create a new wallet. For right now we are going to be clicking on add existing wallet. So I have to click on add existing wallet. So over here you need to select view only wallet like this. So once you click on it, you can see we are actually adding this from Ethereum blockchain. All right, so I have to select Ethereum like this. So over here guys, what you need to do is simply name it whatever you want. So you can just simply name it Ethereum wallet as it is right now. So over here, this is where you need to paste something like now you need to paste something right here. So let me now show you guys what you need to paste. So we need to paste right there is simply coming back right here. You need to select something like looks like, okay, let me now show you guys something. Okay, you need to paste that which you just copied right here. So you're gonna have to copy it again if you haven't copied it yet. So over here, this is where you need to paste it. Once you just paste on it, you need to click on confirm. All right, so once you click on confirm, you can see that your wallet has been created and you have been welcomed immediately without any hesitation. So the previous pages might be very black on your screen, so you just need to follow the real simple process that is involved. Okay, so right now I need to click on start using wallet like this. So once you just click on start using wallet, you can see this is your wallet. So right now, let me now open this wallet. Let me now see what we have right there. Okay, so over here, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, you make sure you go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So right now, let's see what we have right here. Boom, you can see that we have $392 million right here sitting on our wallet without any hesitation or something like that. So over here guys, you can see that we have up to 79,000 Ethereum right here, and we have up to $130 million right here. Also, we have up to 882 million USDT right here, all on Ethereum, all on Ethereum network, sitting right here completely free. All right, so this is actually a watch only wallet. So right now, what do watch only wallet means? So watch only wallet actually means a wallet that you can just monitor. If you want to monitor a whale, you can use a watch only wallet to monitor a whale. And right here guys, when I click on this USDT, you can see that everything is shown right here. The only thing is that I cannot transfer this coin out of this wallet. So I'm actually making a research to find out how I can be able to transfer this coin out of this wallet. All right, so right now, if you want to be updated or when I actually get to find out when I actually find out a way on how to be able to transfer this out of this wallet, you should simply make sure that you stay tuned on our channel and get to turn on the notification bell on, so that when I'm going to be posting a video on how to be able to withdraw this, you will also be among the first persons that will witness it and get to learn how you can be able to withdraw this amount of USDT out of this watch only wallet. So stay tuned and do not go anywhere. On this channel, we actually learn a lot of cool stuff right here. So this is how you literally hack Trust Wallet, and this is also what you need to do right now so that you get to be updated when I upload the video on how you can be able to withdraw this. Thank you guys, and I will see you guys very soon on my next video that is dropping soon.